Yo, what is up? Let's make a beat. Okay, let's do start with the melody because some of you guys might be wondering how I make my melodies. So, what BPM should I go to? I think 150 for melodic vibe. So that's basically the root notes. Crazy, crazy. So I'm just gonna duplicate by clicking shift and then clicking on them and click control, then up again, and then shift, click, then shift up 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then shift, click, and take it down to here for a minor. And it sounds like this one might sound horrible, this one as well. I'm just gonna put them like that, and yeah. Alright, so we are in minor, D minor scale, actually D sharp minor. So we're just gonna go minor natural and then D sharp minor, boom. Then we wanna do high notes. What I can do is take the middle note up and do another note here. Not necessarily have to do that, but I can do it. I don't wanna actually delete that. So yeah, let's just clone this one and put it here. So right now I want to save some CPU, so I'm going to use one shots. Let me use this one. So I want it to like swing. So what I'm going to do is just take this up and then boom. I feel like it's knocking too much, so let's do this. Then maybe a pad. Nah. Let me click Alt S to strum. Ooh. A. Okay, now I'm done with that. So what I will do is just render. Let's render the melody before I do anything. All right. Ujesu ati ningadrivi. So I'm just gonna put these here and go to tools, macros, switch all audio clips, and then stretch them. Then after these, just take them to my mixer, paste. Let's listen. So what I want to do with this bass, I want to put in a fruity limiter to limit the volume or the gain or whatever. Okay, it sounds nice. So I'm just gonna route this to this channel and call it melody. So what I'm gonna do now is just put in a compressor. After the compressor, I want to change the pitch and also put in some little bit of glitch. So I want to take it to C sharp. So it's gonna be D sharp, D, and C sharp. So it's two. So I want to do something a little bit African. Maybe something emtee would be on. Sound selection is a problem, guys. Sound selection. for a kick now. Kick, 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 kick. Okay, that's pretty much the beat. Now I'm just gonna arrange it. Just gonna put in a bass. Let me just arrange. So I don't think I'm gonna like this. I like this bass. Okay, so let me just do this thing now. The drums, put them inside here, here.